Hi everybody, I'm Judy DiLorenzo with A Life Well Planted. Our raspberries are still producing like crazy, as you can see. They just, certain years produce more than others, and this has been one of those banner years. We're very fortunate. Anyway, so far I have put up 60 jars of jam and plenty of fruit leather. So I've moved on to plan C, and that's to freeze the raspberry puree to later be used for making smoothies. I went out and I bought these silicone muffin pans, which are working wonderfully. They pop out really easy. And then I'm putting them in regular Ziploc baggies. I'm not bothering to use my food saver because I want to be able to open the baggie, pull out one of the blocks, use it in the smoothie, and then put the bag back in the freezer. The process is super easy. You just wash the berries and let them drain well. I have 3 colanders of berries that have been draining. And then just fill the blender. I have a high-speed blender which works well because, as you probably know, raspberries contain a lot of seeds, and the high-speed blender is good at pulverizing the seeds so that when we use them in smoothies it won't, be overly seedy. I do the same thing when I make the fruit leather. And then I use a small ladle to fill the muffin pan. All right, I'll put these in the freezer and then I'll do the next tray. You've got to try this process. We do have smoothies throughout the year. My husband in particular, he makes one every day. So this is going to come in really handy. I figure one of the blocks and even 2 thrown into the smoothie is going to make it just right. This way we'll save a fortune on buying frozen fruit.